I'm sure you've heard the news. Success isn't just about luck. It's about mindset. This timeless classic breaks down the key principles to achieving wealth and success. First up, desire. You need to want it so bad that it's all you think about. Hill calls it a burning desire. Next, faith. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Your faith will fuel your actions. Then there's auto-suggestion. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. You are what you think. Specialized knowledge is crucial too. Don't just rely on general information. Become an expert in your field. And let's not forget persistence. Face obstacles head on and never give up. Finally, the mastermind principle. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support your vision. There you have it. The secrets to success from Think and Grow Rich. Ready to start your journey? Let's get growing.